Are you tired yet? Are you tired yet? Tired of things not getting better and feeling stagnant? If you are aware enough to realize that the life most of us live is not designed to optimize your potential, but instead designed to keep you trapped, then I'm talking to you. I feel the same way. So let me tell you what I'm doing to break through. I was fortunate enough, and I say fortunate, but that's not what I mean. What I really mean is that there were a series of synchronistic events that led me on a path to find a mentor that's guiding me to entrepreneurship through self-empowerment. The entrepreneurial tool I'm using is an online business model called affiliate marketing, but there are other online business models that may better suit you. Get this information so you can stop feeling stagnant and change your path. Click like and follow, and click the link in my bio to begin your breakthrough journey.